This is a camera inspection of 137 Oldham Horseshoe Bend in Newark, Delaware. We're conducted by Jacob Smith Drain Solutions. We're going through the clean out in the basement, under the stairs. This inspection is also conducted with the ball on the camera. It's elevated from the bottom of the pipe. Now we're entering the cast iron. It's heading towards the center of the basement floor. Eventually it's going to tie in here at a Y. Connects to the other drop from the upstairs. And that's going to go straight out the front of the house and very close to where the water service comes in. And at this point you'll start to see water starting to pool. Around 18 feet in. This has been marked on the ground. You can tell we got some grease built up as well. There's grease floating on top of the water. I'll back it up. It's heavy grease built up there. At this point the camera's having a hard time getting past this position with the ball. So we're going to pause it just for a second. We're going to run some more water, see if this clears up. Okay, so right now we couldn't go any further with the ball, so we paused it and we're letting the owner run cold water to see if you can see what wire ball will go through. If you look above, it looks like there's a lot of grease built up, or some sort of buildup above us, and it's probably because of this belly is letting that grease build up on the surface of the water. And you can see it's a huge buildup of grease. All along this line. But once again, it's probably due to the belly. I'm going to go forward again. You can see the grease again build up on the sides. That's as far as the camera will let us go with the ball on. I'll let it sit here for a second and just see if it clears up. So you see at this time that this pipe is nearly completely restricted by water and grease. And as far as the camera can go with the ball, and this is just before the camera goes outside the house. We're just about 2 foot from the outside of the house where the water service also exits the house. All right, at this point we're going to bring this camera back, and I'm going to put it back in without the ball with some water in the line, see if we can see a little bit better. But this is as far as we can go with the ball.